Hey everybody, this will be another in my series of catching trains at control points. We are at East Rowen, which is just below Keene and Woodford. I'll link my history of Woodford in this, but got a train coming up right behind me here, so we'll turn around and catch him coming through East Rowen up the hill. And as I always say, I think it's a lot more dramatic to catch trains coming up the hill. They're working a lot harder, and everybody knows I like big, fast, powerful, noisy things, and trains certainly fit that mold. So here we go at East Rowen. Got my mic on. I hope the wind noise isn't too awful bad, but do what we can here. Got this Eastbound BNSF approaching East Rowen here. This is where I shot the video of the Amtrak making the meet with the BNSF here a while back, and I shot it right on top of that hill behind the signal there. I'll link that in this video too. And yes, this is the same day that I shot a bunch of the other ones in my Rockin' My Red. Remember, everyone deployed shirt. All right, there he comes. See the cabin right there, and that is looking up towards Woodford. That is the first crossing of the Tehachapi Creek. Have really been running a lot of trains today. Great for shooting videos for my channel. I've run into an honest rail fan up here, Simon Caliani. Saw him again at the Keene store while I was having lunch, and he's having a blast up here. A lot of good opportunities for rail fans today. This is this is probably the 8th or 9th train I've seen today. I haven't filmed all of them because they weren't in the places I needed them to be or wanted them to be. As I mentioned, that being the first crossing of Tehachapi Creek, some of you have seen more of the videos on my channel. I shot the piece at the third crossing of Tehachapi Creek when I did the piece on Woodford, and the fourth crossing of Tehachapi Creek when I did the piece on the 180 below the loop. And the fourth crossing of Tehachapi Creek is also where all the debris backed up in the 1932 flood when it finally broke loose and it wiped out the trestles there, and at the third crossing, and killed 12 people in Keene, took a train out, buried it in the mud. It was a pretty big deal. And like I said, I will link the piece on Woodford, and I will link the piece on the 180 at the fourth crossing of Tehachapi Creek, both in the description below. This is the facing signal, westbound signal at Rowen, and I'm not going to get any closer to the train to see the setback signals because they look just like all the other setback signals in all my other videos. No drone pushers or helpers. And that is an eastbound through the east end of Rowen. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all at the next control point. See you later.